Baby, finally you are here. What is this? Why is your tummy big like this? What happened?
Obi. Even the blind can see that I am pregnant.
Pregnant? Babe, you're pregnant. How? How did it happen? Pregnant for who? How did it happen? Is this a joke?
No, how can I be joking? Obi, he's coming to pay my bride price anytime soon. Obi, I know that you're a nice man. You are a very good man at that. But you know, when I went out there, I met this man. He's so caring and he's so handsome. I mean, the way he treats me. And you know what? We're in the same class. Like we're on the same level, you know. So I don't know what happened. The way he was just touching, I don't know. Honestly, I don't know what happened. Before you know it, one thing led to the other, and this is just the result. So I'm sorry I did not tell you on time. I'm sorry. The thing omego but no omego. It has already happened, and I can't take it out. The truth is, I love him. I really, really love him, and we are getting married. Yes, and I know he loves me too. This is my wedding invitation card. I decided to specially bring this for you. Obi, don't say no now. See, I want you to stand as a father at my wedding. I really appreciate everything you have done for me, and I will forever be grateful. For all the things you have helped me to attain this height, honestly, I'll be grateful to you forever. Please don't say no, just take the card. You can come with your friends, just take the card. Don't say no, Hosiano, take the card. Obi.
This is 100,000 naira for the both semester. Okay?
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I will call Jude to come and drop you off in school. And also pick the things I bought for you.
Thank you. Come here. Thank you.
Over there. I'll see you.
Alright.
Yeah.
Bye.
No.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
My son, since my husband returned from Enugu, I don't understand his body anymore. At night, the body will be so hot. During the day, he will be complaining of cold.
Commando.
Thank you. Future boy, you will share someone.
My son, we keep thanking you for everything you are doing.
But it's okay, that one is nothing. It's okay.
I pray that the God we serve will continue to bless you. And bless you abundantly.
Amen.
Thank you very much. Son, I will still ask you for something. I want you to get married to my daughter, so I can give you lessons before I die.
My husband, I thought Obinna told you that he wants Kwesi to finish her education, I mean university, before getting married.
Yes, Mama is right, Papa. You know, I wouldn't want to get her distracted in her studies.
Obinna, I understand. Mama is right. Just do it. Do it now. So that I give you my blessings. I'm not just saying it. I want you to do it so that I bless you. Please. I'm not saying that you do it all. Do one thing or the other. Leave the rest. At a good time, you can finish it. I'm talking from an elderly man's perspective, from an elderly man's point of view.
Obinna, please, help me tell him to stop talking about death. Or like a
Papa, please, you're not going to die. Stop talking about death. Okay? You shall not die, but live to proclaim the goodness of the Lord in the land of the living. In the mighty name of Jesus.
Amen.
Yeah, the konondo, yeah, our wedding. Thank God, leave your love rice.
You were in school?
Yes, I just got back.
Oh, welcome. Is everything alright?
Your attention is needed at home.
Eh?
Yes.
My attention?
Yes.
How?
Look, I think you should just keep this. Let's go home. They need you right now.
They need me? Who needs me? Who are they?
Look, Papa just passed on. Look, I'm sorry. You need to calm down, please.
Chima!
Please, easy.
Chima! Chima!
It's unfortunate it has happened that we've lost our father, our mentor, our good friend, a wonderful man. But God knows the best. God knows why it happened the way it happened. Even my heart is full. But what will I do? Anyway, let me say that I am going to take care of the burial rites. Yes, everything about the burial. I will take care of it.
Thank you. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. I don't know how to thank you anymore. Hi, Wamo. What have you not done for this family? Hi. Now we are so grateful. Oh. We are so grateful.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Oh.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Obin, you have done very well for this family. You have taken them as part of your responsibility from the onset. You have proven beyond all doubt that you are a very good man. All I can say is that God will continue to reward you.
Amen.
God bless you. Thank you for everything you've been doing for this family. We are very grateful. God bless you.
Well, bless God.
Mama, did you see Kosi, your daughter?
I saw her. Oh, I saw Kosi. I saw Kosi.
Am I even dreaming? I mean, this is how people can be mean? This is how people can pay good with evil, Mama. What is this? I thought this girl was smart. I thought Kosi was smart. I don't see anything. Let her go and sit down. Let her open and come back. Let her go and see open and come back. Mama, as the only son, Mama, as the only son in this family, we will not support her. Nobody will support her. Mama, I will not support her.
Nobody will support her. Oh, nobody will support Kosi. Oh, I can never support her. Oh, nobody. Oh. We're going to make it. We're going to walk out. If you live here, we die here. We're going to, if you live here, we die. Open that one, open that one. Go see how I'm going to go. Go see how I'm going to go.
Oh, please! Nobody should even tell me that. What are you people even saying? I go see a full graduate, I should go and get married to that illiterate. It's a lie. Man, it will not even happen. As you can all see, the evidence is so clear. If you people are not ready to take the bride price from him, then I will leave this village for all of you.
You will what? You will do what? Kosi, leave! Something is wrong with you. Something is wrong with you. Yeah. You're out of your mind.
Ugonna, mind the way you talk to me. I'm not your mate. Mind the way you talk to me. I'm not your mate. Oh.
You are stupid. All the while you were spending Obina's money. You never knew it was trading money, Abi. You never knew it was trading money. You balanced and you were just spending his money, lavishing his money. Obina trained you from university, in fact from Wayek, up till now. Now you open your mouth to say Obina is an illiterate.
You can keep ranting for all I care. Please, Ugonna, just mind your business, please. Anyway, you can keep talking. Me, I've made up my mind and nothing is going to change it. So, that's it. It's fine now.
You intentionally got pregnant to thwart all the plans of Kwaya. It will never be well with you. It will never work for you. Papa should be ashamed of you by now. Papa will be crying bitterly in the grave because of you.
Hey! Kosi Sochukwumwam, is this really you? Ogiwa na wohini na nono. Ogiwa! So you have to be pregnant before you make up your mind. Ewam! Hey! Hey! Emeikisi put your jaw. After all he spent on you, even in our lives, he will fudobi for our female.
That's what the problem is. That's not a problem now. Ugonna, you can call Obinna, let him come and write out everything he has spent on me. When I was in school and even when I was out of school. My husband wants to be is equal to the task now.
Will you shut your mouth? Kosi, will you shut your mouth? What's wrong with you?
Kosi, is that what you're saying? Are you not a woman? Why can't you get married to him? Why can't you get married to him? Biko, I have said it all and it's final. I am not getting married to that illiterate. Biko.
You a shameless woman. You a shameless woman.
Ugonna,
I want to keep you quiet because you're pregnant. What's wrong with you?
Ugonna, mind yourself.
What's wrong with you?
Ugonna, mind yourself.
You do all this nonsense. You want to tell me Papa was here, you go and get pregnant for nobody.
Keep ranting. Why am I even talking? I have made up my mind and that is final. So if you like, talk and shout down this roof, it's not going to change anything.
Keep quiet for one reason. One reason.
Hey, so this is the university.
Mama, look at it now. Mama, look at it.
Stop calling so this is the university and you service you wait for.
Mama,
this is the university we sent you. Oh, yeah? This is it. Hey!
You've seen it now.
You went there and turned out to become a wild beast. Hey!
I said I can never train a girl in the school. You have seen it? Hey! After everything Obinna did for this girl.
Hey, Ifeleme Bukwadumo! Kosi Sochukwe Bukwadum Doboda! Bukwadumo! Hey, Kosi Sochukwe Bukwadumo!
What you're trying to do, is it fair to you? Is it fair? Upon all we've been through together, Kosi. Kosi, you are my life. You are my love. You are mine. Kosi, if someone do this to you, you won't like it. Don't do to someone what they will do to you and you will not be happy with it. Kosi, do not leave me, please. If you leave me, I am going to die because you're my life, you're my love, you're my everything. Kosi, even with this condition, I am good with it. I'm not complaining. The only thing you do to me now that will hurt me so much is to leave me, but please don't do that. Please. Kosi, okay, if it is university, I will go to university and I will read and I will come out and I will pass with flying colors. Then I'll have money, I'll get a job, I'll feed you well, I'll take care of you, buy you a house, buy you whatever you want, make you happy and all that. But please, Kosi, don't leave me or drop Mama.
Obinna, you're making this look very difficult when it shouldn't be. See, we are still friends and I like you as a friend.
Friends?
Yes. The truth is that you're the one that deflowered me and I can never forget that in a hurry. You've done so much for me and my family, so I can't even forget it. But the truth is, there is always an end to every journey, and I guess this is the end to ours. Obinna,
As you can see, I'm already pregnant for the man I love. So, please, I'm sorry.
I don't mind. I don't mind that condition. I don't mind it. Okay? I am good with it. Once it's Kosi that is one carrying it, once you want to Kosi, you kill me. Or if you do this, yeah, I will die. I will die. Please don't do this to me. Please. Don't leave me, Kosi. Please, I'm begging you. See the things you mentioned here. I took care of your family, I took care of you, I did this, I did that. You even mentioned one major thing. That I'm the one who deflowered you. Kosi, you see? Kosi, why don't you think back? That day that I was deflowering you. Yeah, Kosi, Kosi, no. Iwolombo a cleric, wuchi kaliche mazu. Hey, how are you? Come here. Oh, that's good.
Same here.
You good?
I'm fine, sit down.
Obina, right? How are you? You see, I know how you feel. I know exactly all what you've been through. But you know, I need to be bold to tell you that such is life. You know, life is not a bed of roses, as a matter of fact, and it's a process. Everyone has a story to tell. Before you become successful, so, you okay?
I'm fine.
So what are we gonna do? Like, what are we gonna eat? Probably we should just go somewhere, have fun, do something different and not have a bad mood. Yeah?
No, that's fine. That's fine. What bad mood? This one is not enough to give us any bad mood.
I know, right?
Yes.
Come here, come here.
I'm sorry. We are sorry. Forgive my sister. Don't lay curse on her.
I've forgiven you, sister. I've really, really forgiven her. I do not bear any grudge in mind for her. I still love her so much. So very much from my heart. I still love her. But I don't know why all these things are happening to me. I don't know. I don't know. My heart is broken. God, why? Why me? Why me? God, why? I've forgiven her. I've forgiven her. But I don't know why she's doing this to me.
On behalf of my entire family, we apologize. We're sorry. We want you to take it like a man. Don't hurt yourself. Please.
My Kosi. My Kosi. My love. My life. My everything. That Kosi abuhaku mobi. Kosi abwali go pia to pieces. But Yandiwa. Yandiwa. It's about you.
Sorry.
Yes, she's pregnant. And there's nothing anybody can do about it. But you, Kosi, on your part, let me tell you, karma has the address of every human being in this world. So whatever you plant, you will reap in time and in season. I'm just trying to help you. Talk to your mother just to make things alright between two of you. If not, a man that sponsored you. In fact, let me not even go there.
Oga landlord, you will not understand. Ndị be anyị sị na eburu ozu onye ọzọ, ọ dịka ebu ukwu nkụ. You will not understand my pain. I am heartbroken. The pain I am passing through now because of this useless girl is worse than the pain I passed through when my husband died. The Obinna in question has been sponsoring not only this girl, but my whole family at large since we left Kano State down to this village. So how am I going to explain this? How?
Because what is the problem? Oga landlord, when I come home, I go to Obinna's house. I sleep with him, I cook for him, I clean the whole house. So what are we talking about? I give him, he also gives me. So okay, oh.
Ha! Will you shut up there? I said shut up! Ah! So you think Obinna cannot get the pleasure he wants? He cannot go to a prostitute house and get all the pleasure that he needs? You think it's all about opening your legs? What do you know about love? I'm asking you, what do you know about love? Someone who has sponsored you and your family for about 6 years?
Have you seen how useless and worthless my daughter has become? Have you seen it? Did you hear her?
Oga landlord, I just want my bride price paid. That is it. Oh, am I asking for too much?
Your only brother that is representing this family has traveled to South Africa. Yes, and I am not ready to accept any bride price from anybody. Chakwa, I will not accept. If you want your bride price to be paid, go to your father's village. He has 2 uncles there. If they like, let them accept. Manriwonu kosi sochuku. Oga landlord, Biko, I'm sorry. You know I have been obeying you in every of your suggestions. But if for this one, I will not obey. Biko.
Mama, let me go and deposit the money so that we can commence treatment.
Please, Kamsi. I will not allow your sister's money to be used on my health. I'd rather die and join your father.
Mama, please, disregard the source of the money and accept the money so that treatment can commence on you immediately.
Madam, your blood pressure is very high. We need to do something very fast. The condition is already abnormal.
You should have mercy on me. I'm just here in a roller coaster, eh? Hoping on the other hand is not feeling fine. He's about to be discharged. Here you are lying down here refusing treatment. Which one do you people want me to do? Eh? Should I just faint?
Let my condition be abnormal. No problem. I will wait for your brother to send money for my treatment. I will not die. You don't need to panic. I will not die, I know.
Ma, please now.
Please, I don't want you to mention your elder sister's name before me again. Because don't mention her name to me. Biko, you have to forgive and forget, okay? For me, I bear no grudge against Kosi anymore. I've freed my mind. I've moved on with my life. So please, forgive her. You just have to go for the omugo.
I see, Biko. Please. Kosi Sochukwu have disappointed us to the core. I mean, this is not what we planned for her. Obinna here was supposed to be her husband.
We know. Mama, we are all saying the same thing. Kosi disappointed every one of us. But that's all in the past now. Obinna here has moved on. And so should you. She's your daughter, and the right thing to do is for you to show up when she puts to bed for her omugo.
I am still angry with Kosi Sochukwu over what she did. My heart is not settled yet. It takes only grace for it to happen. My mind will calm down under grace until God do it. For now, everybody should just let me be. Happen.
Uncle? The thing is that I want to go to Lagos. As I'm talking to you right now, I've sold everything in my shop. Everything. Yes, because a friend of mine, a very good friend of mine, an old friend, invited me to Lagos. He said that he has a business, huge business for me.
It's alright. But
yes, and I will be going to Lagos by end of this month.
What about the plans I discussed with you? You need to get a wife. So what are your plans?
Uncle, I will think about it, but not now. Let me do the first thing first.
If you go. You see, I warned you about that girl. You need to spend Diego. Look at it now. When I was talking, people said I was stupid. I was stingy. Abubakar gum. Look at it.
Uncle, that is not my problem now. At least God has blessed me. I've moved on with my life. And the next phase of my life will be greater than now. God has a way of increasing my efforts.
Now I wish her father were alive. He will never support what she has done. I know him. He will never support it. Man, Jugo Kiki Abiyama will lead you on.
Uncle, I don't know. This is red wine. I don't know if you like this. Let me get it for you.
Aboku red wine, can you? Red wine? Red wine? Now move on. Let your red wine move on too.
Chris, get in there, man. Here, what is happening? See your beautiful house. Yeah? Chris. I like when people progress. This is nice.
Like the house?
Beautiful. You have taste, though. You have taste, this boy. You have taste. This is good. This is good.
It's your house.
Yeah?
This is your house.
Chris, you see, one thing I don't like is when people joke with serious things. You see, you can't just bring me to your house and you're telling me this is your house. You know, it looks childish. And I mean, there are some things I accommodate and there are some things I don't like to accommodate. I'm more than that already. Okay?
Boss,
more than that.
it's still your house. Boss, welcome to the gang of landlords. That's the document.
Are you joking with me or are you being serious?
Check it out.
What is this?
Check it out. Boss, I came down to Nigeria for you. You gave me life. You saved my life. Sir, you made all this happen.
You serious?
Yes, without you,
everything is in my name.
Boss, it's your house. Without you, I would not be anything.
Oh my God.
Please.
Chris.
Boss.
Chris, you're serious?
I'm serious.
You mean you... You mean this is my house?
Yeah.
Chris, you bought a house for me.
Angela! Hassan!
This is true. What is this? What is going on? Chris, you got a house for me?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
This is Hassan and this is Angela. Angela is your maid and Hassan is your gate man. They are your domestic staff.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Angela, eh? You must be Igbo.
Yes, sir.
And you are Bokiagwe?
Hassan, yeah. Yes, sir.
It's Boki. I don't know.
All right, booking another gate, man. Another gate. Yeah. All right, you can go, okay?
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Chris, what have I done to deserve all this? Please, thank you. Thank you. I did not do what I did for you to start doing all this for me. I did not. I was just being humanitarian.
Boss, you saved my life. And without you, this won't happen. Okay? Let's leave it. You know the story. Let me show you your house. Come on. Obi, come on.
God, what is happening? Just 2 seconds, a threat that became a mansion owner, car owner, supermarket owner. God, is this how you want to clean my tears?
Go ahead and treat this man for me, please. I'm going to pay the bill.
As you can see, I've cleaned him up. I've done the much I can. Do you know him?
Doctor, must I know him before you treat him? Doctor, come on. This is a young man. And he's losing strength. This man is dying, please.
This young man might be the armed robber that have been disturbing this area. I don't think you know him. Before I do anything, the police must be here. And not just that, a police report must be presented.
Doctor, I know. I don't really know him. I just saw some group of guys trying to mob him and I rescued him. Okay? But at least give him some medications.
If the police arrives there, they will surely arrest you. Please, excuse me.
Doctor, we're all human beings, doctor.
Sir, no. Please. Go, please, sir. I'm not a criminal.
No, I'm sorry, okay? Easy, you'll be fine.
I don't want to be arrested. I need water, because
you need water. Please, if you drink water, you might die. Okay? Hey. Chris, how are you? Chris, police is looking for you.
Please. I don't want to go to cell, please. Please, sir.
Chris, please, what really happened? These guys actually want to steal...
Sir, I will tell you the truth. It was OKD that said I should escort them. So when we got there, I didn't know it was a robbery, sir. I didn't know. He pulled out a gun and started harassing the family. I was like, what is going on? He pointed gun at me and said I should shut up. So I was so scared. He even raped the mother and the daughter. Yes. So before I knew what was going on, the man had raised an alarm and that happened on the street. Sorry, sir, I'm not
you were there. When all these things were happening, you were there. Sir, watching. Why didn't you run away?
Sir, it was too late for me to run, so I didn't know it was a robbery, sir.
What happened is this. I actually have to do something about this, okay? I have an informant in the police station and the woman told me all that you said. Yes. I know you're not lying to me. Yes. Okay, but the husband insisted that you must go down with your friends, whether you are innocent or not.
Sir, I'm not a thief. I swear, I'm not a thief. I'm a graduate of computer science. Sir, I'm not a thief. I didn't know that OKD is a thief. I didn't know. So I'm telling you the truth.
Anyway, what will happen is this. I will fly out of the country.
Huh?
Yeah. It's okay. Please, you don't have to do this. I'm not God. Stand up. Get up. Yeah, I have to fly you out of the country because this case is very, very serious. But I'm going to stand in for you and do what I can do. But I just have to fly you out. You have to leave this country. You know? Why I'm saying this is that your friend might not come out of this case. So your own case, you really need to leave this country.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you, sir.
I have a friend in Cyprus. I've actually discussed you with him. Okay? You'll be going to meet him in Cyprus, yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
It's okay.
Thank you, sir.
It's okay, but you have to promise me one thing.
Sir.
That you will never associate yourself with bad guys.
Sir, please, I swear with my life. I will never do it in my life, sir. I bet my life. I promise you, sir. I promise you.
It's okay. I'll see what I can do. Let's see how it goes. Come on, stand up. Please, stand up now. Stand up. Stop this. No, I have to stop this now. Stop this. Get up, get up, get up. Get up. Get up. That's in the Zubegori, you know?
No.
I believe you. I believe you.
Thank you, sir.
I believe you. Manapota Kosi. So, that is how it happened. He gave me a house, a duplex, and opened a mat for me.
Just like that. Hey! What an awesome story. Congratulations.
Thank you, my dear. Thank you so much. So, how is life, work, and everything?
Everything is fine. I thank the Lord.
You sure are you?
And on you too.
You're looking fresh.
So are you. Okay,
you know what? You're going to eat the money with me right now. Go get dressed. I'm taking you out.
I will take you up on that offer. I will take you up on that offer. You're not joking.
I'm equal to the task.
Hell! Let me go and wear another footwear and bring my purse. I'm coming. I'm coming. Oh!
About what we discussed 2 days ago. You haven't said anything.
I think I've said everything I need to say about that.
Babe, but it's my mother that is supposed to come for my omogwo. That is tradition and everybody knows it.
Okay, listen. We're not practicing tradition here. My mother is already on her way. As a matter of fact, she'll be the one to take care of my baby, and that's final.
Babe?
Please, I don't want to talk about this anymore. There's no way your mother will come to my house. Whatever.
Say, I should not come for the Mugu again. This is what I did.
thank God for that. I thank God. No, there's no problem. There's no problem. I'm not complaining. I'm okay. I'm okay. You know? So what at all? Call who? For what, Kwan? Makagene? I cannot call him. Oh, can be Omugwa. I don't understand you. I should beg him to allow me to come and watch. Please, Biko, Babu. Oh? He said his mother is on the way coming already. Chukwa Aloka is okay. No problem. Let the mother do everything for you. You know? You know? She's also a mother, no problem. No, I will send you back the money. No. I don't need it. Go say Sochuku, I don't need your money. I will send it back to you. The money you sent for me to come for the Omogo. I will send it back. Lanya Kangwage. I got a dagum. You know? I'm not hungry. And you know, I will send it back. Oh, no problem, you know?
Well done, Mama.
Thank you, Zinne. Do you know how to transfer money from POS?
Yes, nah. It is very easy. It's not hard.
In that case, you will do a transfer for me now. Because go to my bed, raise my pillow up. That's where you will see my ATM card. Please bring it.
But Mama, if she does not want you to come for the Omugo, keep the money now. Why must you return the money?
No, for what?
Because she is your daughter. You cannot eat your daughter's money.
I don't need Kosi Sochuku's money. I don't need it.
Mama, you don't need your daughter's money.
Biko, please don't start. Go and do what I asked you to do. Genuine ATM card.
Sorry, Ma. Mama, I don't understand you, but I will do as you say.
I'm waiting for you to understand me. I'm not hungry. I don't need your money. Chacha. It's an edge abiara omugwe yimegu. Mbano. Ejidi ya yimegu. Mwabu normal. Kakosi Sochuku na dear. Who is Kenneth? Me. Beg him to.
My food.
I don't like what you're doing. I honestly do not like what you're doing. I mean, how can you be taking decisions in this house without even considering mine? Why are you doing this? Okay. We agreed my mother was going to come for Omugo first, before your mother. All of a sudden you changed your mind without even telling me. Why are you doing this?
Woman, your witch mother will not step her feet in my house.
I beg your pardon?
You heard me right. Yeah, not your mother. As a matter of fact, don't bother begging me. Your mother, your brother, your sister, none of them will step their feet in my house. As a matter of fact, that's how I stated and that's how it should be.
Kenneth, what is really going on? Are you trying to sideline my family or cage me or what? Because I don't understand what you're doing. We agreed my mother was coming for Omugo, and I even sent her money for transportation. And all of a sudden, here you are changing your mind without even considering how I feel. Why are you doing all this?
Well, I see you do not have food for me, so... I understand, listen.
We are still talking. What's this one again? Oh no. Mama just refunded. Why?
Uncle?
Yeah?
See? Sometimes in a man's life, you have to just take up some responsibilities.
That's true. That is true.
Right now, I am ready to settle down. I've seen a woman I want to get married to.
That's good. That's good. Hey, that's good news. And who is the woman?
Her name is Kansi Rachukwu, a sister to Kosi.
Oh, Kosi. I said it. I said it. The way she took care of you and her mother also. I said, oh, wifey, material. Mana, I kept my mouth shut too. I didn't want to talk. Well, have you spoken to her?
No, I've not.
Why? Away. No, now. You show her your house in Lagos. Show her the ambience of everything you have. Listen, she's a lot better than that Jezebel who almost killed you.
Uncle, it's okay. I'll do that. But not now. Before then, let's go so you show me the land you bought for me.
Oh. The land, eh?
The land.
That I bought for you. It is well. Let's go.
It's okay. Let's go.
You see, no matter what.
Hey, never. So, how did you go with those?
Mama, let me sit down and talk about Kosi and the things she told me on the phone a while ago.
Why are you changing the topic?
Why will Kosi Sochiku's husband give an order that you don't show up for your daughter's omugo? It's wrong! What is going on, Mama?
Kansi, answer me the question I asked. How did you go with your Obinna? That is the question. Do you like him?
I like him. I like him the way everybody likes him. The way we have liked him for years. That's how I like him. Now the bone of contention is Kosi Sochiku, her husband, and your grandchild that is on the way. Your grandchild that there is an order barring you from performing your natural duties to. What is that about, Mama?
Won't you give me grandchildren? Won't Ugonna give me grandchildren? Do I have only a Kosi? I have extra 2 children that are going to I'm not worried. I'm not bothered. Why are you killing yourself? Had it been it's only Kosi that I have. That is what I mean. That's no problem. The bone of contention here is, how did you go with your Obinna? That's our way forward.
Are you really the one saying these things?
Yes.
Sorry, Mama.
You have been knocking there since you don't want to open door. Or maybe you are finishing my son's food.
No, Mama, I rushed down now. Choma, you didn't tell me you were calling me Mama.
Was I supposed to tell you?
Amamo, is there finishing my son's food? That's why we are knocking. She refused to come and open door for us.
Mama, stop now. You're welcome.
Because where is my grandchild?
Where's my niece? She's upstairs.
Okay.
Welcome, Mama.
What of my son?
He went out. He went to watch match.
So my son went to watch match and you are relaxing here.
Mama, what is it now? Welcome.
Can leave me alone? My son is outside you and you are resting here. Please carry my bag upstairs
and see your grandchild.
Carry my bag upstairs. Carry my bag upstairs.
Mama, you're stressing yourself. We just came.
Let me go and see my grandchild.
Our beautiful child.
Yes,
Let me
help you.
Don't worry. Go. What is working? You are eating. You say you eat here one.
Baby, your aunt is here.
Yes, so. Hey. That's my grandchild. Hey, that's my beautiful grandchild. Hey. The child is as beautiful as the father. Hey, hey, Asam.
Kamsi, please, let's not even talk about it. Yes, I don't want any trouble. See, it's bad enough that Mama has already refunded. So what do you want me to do? Please, let's not talk about it. I don't want any problem, please.
Go see. Hey! In my own son's house. Huh? You think I didn't hear you? You think I didn't hear that you were making love call in my own son's house? Go see.
Mama.
Huh? So you have started cheating on my son. Hey!
Mama, I was just making calls and talking to my sister, Kamsi.
It's not true. You're not talking. You think I didn't hear when you were saying, I love you. You think I did not hear
me?
Hey! Kosi. You are a liar, Kosi. Yes. I heard you well. You were here calling your boyfriend. Somadina is up there crying. You refuse to give her breast.
Mama, fear God now.
Oh, what is going on here?
Now.
What happened?
It's your wife, oh. This woman you married here. I got her. She thought I did not. She thought I was not listening. She sat down here, was making, I love you.
Mama, fear God now, fear God.
When I told her that Somadina is crying upstairs, she started running her mouth. The most, oh God.
Kenneth, I wasn't running my mouth, oh. See, Somadina was sleeping upstairs, so I just decided to come down here and make calls. And I was calling my younger sister, Kamsi.
Who were you on the phone?
Kamsi. Now?
And she was calling me idiot.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine, Mama, that's okay. Listen, Kosi, when next you do this, when you're supposed to be feeding my daughter, I'll confiscate that phone. So right now, get in there and go and feed Somadina immediately. Right away, like get in there right now.
I'm gonna check the phone first.
Don't worry.
Check.
No, don't worry.
Go, John. Look at her. Liar.
Oh, that's fine, that's fine.
Asha. Nonsense. Now, won't you beat her?
Mama, don't worry.
I'm gonna fight you.
So are you done breastfeeding her?
Yes. Babe, I don't really like the way you spoke to me in front of your mother. I mean, you just belittled me and made me feel as if I'm just your maid. It's not fair now. Eh? I'm your wife. I submitted my CV with an oil and gas firm, so I'm just waiting to see if they will call me for an interview.
What? What did I just hear you say?
Exactly what you heard. Babe, I need to work now. I went to school.
On whose permission? Wait, did I hear you say you have submitted or you're about to submit your CV?
No, I mean, I'm about to, but I just had to inform you first, yes.
That's more like it. Because may I remind you that your work in this house is to take care of the house, take care of our daughter, and take care of me. And probably take care of me in the other room. And you know what that means.
not just my house. Our house. I know how you feel about
Our house. This house is magnificent.
You can say that again. Come on, let's go inside. You surprised? Come on, come on.
Madam, chai, you fit my oga. Hey, see as both of you are just dey like too much. Hey,
Do you like both of you now? You fit both of you well.
You're funny.
Madam, I beg, which day both of you go do wedding? Me will come chop rice and plenty meat.
Angela,
Madam,
let me ask you something. Can you marry your elder sister's ex-boyfriend?
my elder sister's ex-boyfriend?
Yes.
It depends, oh. It depends.
How do you mean? Tell me.
If he's not a cheat, if he didn't leave my elder sister because of me or because of someone else, I will not marry him because he might still end up leaving me because of another person.
Okay, what if the opposite is the case here? Your elder sister is the one that broke up with him.
Now direct marriage now. I will even be the one to meet him by myself and tell him what I feel about him. I could just heal the wound for him once and for all. Direct. But madam, why did you ask?
Don't worry about it. Someone wanted my opinion on something.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Madam, do you like it?
Yeah, thanks.
I told you you will like it. It's very, very fine.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
Mommy, get it from?
Is she not going to breastfeed for my dinner? What is time now?
Should be 7 a.m., Mommy.
7 a.m. A breastfeeding mother supposed to wake up 6 a.m. and breastfeed her child. Mama. But look at her. She's looking for sex. Somebody that just gave birth. Her body is open. She can't even allow this body to heal. Look at her, lying down here, craving for sex. Eh? Oh, stand up. I said stand up. A woman that just gave birth. Eh? Wake up there. Go. Go and breastfeed my son.
Just take it easy on her. Just take it easy on her now.
Take what? Oh, yeah.
That's fine.
Follow me immediately. Go and breastfeed my grandchild so that I will bet her. And you are here looking for sex.
Mama.
Huh? Oh, yeah.
Get out of here. Get out of here, Jerry. Oh, God. He cannot just have peace in his own house.
Are you not going to talk about what happened this morning? I mean, your mother barging into our room without notice at the verge of our intimacy. Is that not an insult?
Babe, I've spoken to my mom about it. And she's also sorry about it. And I'm sorry. She will never repeat such a thing again.
That is not enough. Now, have you noticed that she only concentrates on the baby? I mean, she doesn't even birth me. Like, she doesn't use hot water on me. She's not even touching me. She's not doing what she's supposed to do.
Babe, can you just listen to yourself? Can you hear yourself out? That my mom is not touching you. She doesn't bait you. Can you hear yourself out? What does that even mean? It doesn't even make sense. How can my mom bait you? A full-grown adult like yourself. Expect my mom to bait you? How?
But baby, she came for a mobile. That is what it entails. She's supposed to use hot water and be pressing my body every morning, you know? And again, remember I had a serious cut during childbirth. So somebody needs to use hot water on that place so that it can heal. But now she's not even doing it, and the doctor advised that I should be using hot water on it.
Babe, that's fine. I'll do it myself.
How do you intend to do that?
I will do it. However, I will do it. Trust me.
Oh, baby, you cannot do it. This is what an elderly woman that comes from Mugwa, that is what the person is supposed to do. She cannot just come for Mugwa and is not doing what she's supposed to do, and you're saying you can do it. You cannot do it. You can't use hot water to press my body.
Babe, can we just go over these and probably think about something? Okay, you know what? I'll fix this out. Let's just probably go to the groceries before we get home.
Why do you always try to shut me up anytime I bring up things that are bothering me? Why don't you listen to me? Why don't you even hear me out? You have to try and hear me out.
Babe, but I said I am sorry. I already spoke to my mom about it and she will never do it again. It's simple. Just probably wait and then she does it some other time and that's going to be a different thing altogether and that'll be acceptable.
We have to wait forever.
Good, because she will never do it again.
You have never raised your hands on me before. Never. Even when we were dating back then in the university. You have never even shouted at me. Now, I'm just wondering what happened. I don't want to regret this, but I am pained. I am so pained, Kenneth, that I don't even know what to do again.
You disobey me.
That's the point. It's always about you and your family. Do you even care about how I feel? Do you? I heard everything. Your mother told you I am smelling. Kenneth, what's my crime? How is it my fault that I gave birth? How is it my fault that I was opened up so that the child would come out freely? How is it my fault that I gave your mother a grandchild? What's actually my offense really? What? I think it's best for my mother to come so she can help.
Not in my house. And that will never happen.
If you willfully damage your own property,
got to. Don't blame anyone for your loss. Don't blame anyone. Assumption made your bed, so you lie.
What is the meaning of this? Look, I know this is your brother's house. If you want to eat food, go to the pot and take yours. Because this one, I specifically made it for myself.
Why don't you go? Why don't you go and make another one for yourself, madam?
Choma, the time for my medication is almost now. And I need to eat now to take my drugs.
Look, if you know you don't have anything better to say, please leave my side, eh? What's the meaning of this one now? What it concern me, concern this one where they tell me medication, this one. Please, madam, wait. Allow me to enjoy my food.
Wait. Like, I should leave your front. I should leave your face, right? Oh yeah, eat the food now. Eat the food. Please, oh.
I don't want problem.
Choma.
Allow me to enjoy my meal. I beg.
I am not your mate. Eat. If you want to try me this time, eat the food.
I should eat the food.
Eat it.
Coach, I should eat the food.
Eat the food now. I'm waiting for you. Eat the food again. Eat it again. Did you just... Mama! You think I'm your mate? Come on, sit down here. Did you just pour my food? You think I am your mate? Oh no! Mama! Mama, hold her from the leg! Catch the leg, hold that leg! You pour my food, Abby?
Choma, are you mad? How dare you join force with Mama to beat my wife? How dare you?
Brother, I did not beat your wife. I did not touch her. Ask Mama. Mama, did I touch her?
Yes. In fact, she didn't touch her. She was even the one that beat us. She even slapped me. You see this your wife? She's a pathetic liar. Yes. She's a pathetic liar. She want to bring disunity between you and your sister.
Kosi, you slapped Choma first?
I want Choma to leave this house.
I
want her to leave or I will leave.
You will leave now.
No. If I told you they both fought me, would you believe me?
Babe, please, I'm sorry.
They fought me. Look at my face.
Choma, you're leaving my house. Choma, you would leave my house today.
Your juju no go walk. Me leave my brother's house. Where you be? For what? Eh?
Kenneth.
Hi.
If you can't say negi, let thunder fire you for me, Kenneth. Happen there and let her go. What is it?
Mama, listen. Come on now. Come on. We don't have to go over this page of fighting all the time. Let's live in one accord. If anything happens to her, would you help me treat her, or would you bring the resources to take her to whatever medical assistance she will need? Will you, Mama? Will you both do that?
Because of a witch, you want to drive away your wife. Let her die. Let her die. I will bring. You trust me now. I will get you another wife, another fertile wife. Not this one. This one is a witch. Kenneth, because of this witch, you want to drive away your sister. Kenneth. Hi. Kenneth.
Mama, please stop. It's okay. But
Kenneth, because of this witch, you want to drive
away.
Because of your wife, our mother is crying, brother.
Okay, Mama, that's fine. Please stop crying.
Because of your
Mama,
wife,
listen. She's my wife. She's a daughter-in-law. You should just take her like your own. Choma, come on now. Okay, you know what? Nobody's going anywhere. Choma, nobody's going anywhere. Please, I just got back. Let me go and undress. Take a warm shower or something. Please. Go on.
Choma, Norodo.
Can you imagine?
Norodo is a way.
I want Choma to leave this house. Me.
Asep, your second name is a way. Nothing is happening.
Hey!
We go. Again. Instead of you to leave
Mama,
this
I don't
house,
suffer.
that's how witch of a wife would live.
I don't suffer. Leave my brother's house.
Don't mind them. Akukifo. Fuck that story.
This is just the beginning.
It
is just the beginning.
In
this house.
Hi!
You're sitting here alone. Why? Is everything alright?
Ogi, my daughter, please lie. I can't believe it that your elder sister and her husband couldn't attend your wedding. Not even a message.
I can't believe you're here thinking about that. It's a gone situation. It's over now. We can't keep talking about it.
My own daughter. I don't want. I don't want.
So, who will not be your best mate when you get married?
Papa, how can you be? Just listen to what you just said. It's Kamsi, of course.
Don't mind your father. Don't mind him.
And on her own special day, I'm going to be her chief bridesmaid, even if I'm married. I'll be everything. Her event planner, her chief security. Like, I'll just be everywhere.
My sister is capable.
Exactly.
She will be there.
Yes.
Life and direct. On top of everything.
Why don't you be as the Holy Spirit?
What's your problem?
Look, I know you, Kosi. In fact, we know ourselves now. That day you might even be sleeping. You switch off your phone.
Me?
You!
On my sister's wedding.
I know her now. Switch off her phone. I'll be a event planner. I can make a sort.
I don't understand. How can my own sister be getting married and I'll not be there?
I know you now. I know you. Well, Papa, the truth is that, you know some men, once they marry a lady, they disconnect her completely from her family. They don't want you anywhere close to your family.
Obina is not like that. Not at all. Yes.
No. Did Obina tell you that he wants to marry your daughter?
No. No, I'm just giving an instance.
Neither my sister nor I will marry such a man in the name of Jesus.
Amen. Oh, amen. At least sit down for anything for the food.
For the food? The food will not
I'm coming to eat now. This time is not sweet.
I remember how she bragged about this your wedding. I remember it all. Manu's good.
It's okay.
Hey, give it to the. How can you tell me that it is okay when it is not okay at all? Eh? Do you know that I have not set my eyes on my grandchild till today? Her husband could not allow her to show up. Odemma, is this not pure wickedness? It is too painful. It is not right. It's not okay. Adam, why? Hi. Let's go. Let's go. The food is ready.
Hey Jojo, let me give you something to cheer your face. Your look isn't impressing at all.
Look,
this is
Kenny.
What's up?
I don't want this. I don't want your drink, man!
Come on. Okay, that's fine. Take it easy. What's up?
What's all this? Why are you treating your wife like that? Hold on. You know, I remember back in the days, back in the uni, the way you were pampering that girl like an egg. So, what has changed? Why are you treating her like that?
Jojo, please, you do not tell me how I should do things in my house. how I should run my family.
No, that's not what I'm saying.
So what are you saying?
I'm not trying to tell you how to run your family. Far from it. Kenny, you stopping your wife from attending her sister's wedding is wrong. It's way below the belt. What's all this, man? Listen, I remember when you were begging me. Making promises that if this girl accepts you, that you're going to do everything and anything to make her happy. Let me play this table. Why are you doing all this?
You know your problem. You're a single man, so I don't blame you. When you get married, you can decide how things should play out in your home. But in my house, I am the captain. So I decide how things should play out here.
You're the captain?
Definitely.
Then do the right thing. Do the right thing, bro. Tell your younger sister to stop putting her hands on your wife. Yes, you should respect a woman that's pushed so hard to give you a child. She should stop putting her hands on your wife.
What the heck is wrong with you? Jojo, I say, what the heck is wrong with you?
Excuse me?
Listen, get out of my house.
You're joking, right?
Jojo, I said, get the hell out of my house.
Is this because I'm trying to tell you?
Jojo, I said, get the hell out of my house.
Listen, I just...
Oh, please, no more words. Jojo, leave my house. Like, right now.
Oh, it's fine, it's fine. Just no.
Yo. No words. Just get out. Get out! Get out. Get out. Get out. Don't come and tell me how things are done in my house. What the heck does it think he is?
Please forgive me. I am so sorry. I can't believe your wedding and I'm not even going to be there to support you. Please forgive me.
Where is she? Oh, there you are! There you are!
What have I done now? What have I done? Get it! What have I done?
What did you do?
No, I did not.
What did he say to Jojo that made him come to my house and yell at me?
I did not say anything, please. Get it, please don't hit me. I'm not feeling too strong. Get it, please don't hit me.
You will die tonight. Listen, I will kill him tonight. How can you?
Get it, please don't hit me.
No.
Get it.
Mama, you wouldn't believe that. This girl went out there and kept telling people that I'm a wicked person.
No,
that I am maltreating her. That I, Kenneth, is maltreating her.
No, Mama, I did not do that, please.
You did not do what?
In that case, let me return to what I am doing.
Hey!
I thought it's something serious.
Mama, please.
Mama, just go. You.
Please. Get it, please. Get it, please.
So, what of that getting married then?
Yes, we are. She is the love of my life. So we decided to seal the deal forever.
Wow.
Aww. Well, congratulations to both of you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Rana, I'm happy that you're living your dream. Yeah. I wish you all the best. Congrats once again.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And Robina.
Yeah.
I want to say thank you. I mean, I want to personally appreciate you for all that you've done for my family. For giving me the opportunity to live my dreams and become a responsible man. I am very grateful. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Bon appetit.
How do they say merci?
This is nice. Very nice. Like the meat.
Trust you.
Good, huh?
Very.
Come see, I said, can I have the address? Please, let me have the address. I mean, how can this be happening? And no one told me about it.
As I speak to you, I don't know where Kosi is. Her number is not going through.
Alright, no problem. Let me just have the address. Look, I believe I can find her. No matter where she is, I will find her. Let me have the address. As for marrying that man, I have forgiven her already. Okay, I have. Come on, Kamsi. For God's sake, she's my elder sister. I need to see her. I need to know what's happening in her life. I came into this country to tell you about my wedding. My elder sister will never and cannot be absent. Let me have the address, please.
Baby, is there a problem? Sister,
Is there a problem?
Kamsi, can I have the address? Please!
To bring down your voice. I could hear you all the way from the room.
Good afternoon, sir.
Amos, good afternoon. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Is there any problem?
Okay, one man they forget to. He said they find madam.
What did he say his name is?
Ubonna Emenike.
You mean Ugonna Emenike?
Thank you. Ugonna Emenike, sir.
You go back out there. Tell him that there's nobody at home.
Okay, sir.
Hey, come back. Come back here. Did you hear what my son said? Eh? If you go out there and tell him another thing, eh? God will punish you for me. What did I say?
You said if I go out there and tell her another thing, that God will punish you for me.
Shut up.
Amos,
are you crazy?
Did they curse my mama?
No, I don't curse my mama. Are they crazy? Now what she talk, I talk. Okay, I know you.
Almost get out of here.
Get out from this place. Get out.
Well, I asked you now and you said your guy was around. How come he suddenly traveled?
Okay, no one wahala. Now the thing be that. No let me do this house. Okay, and madam travel early momo.
Alright, open the gate, let me drive in. I'll wait for them in the car. When they return, they will talk.
Which gate? Okay, they travel. Ah! Amen.
My friends, open the gate! Someone must come out of this compound. Someone must come out of this compound.
You're going to see the doctor tomorrow.
So what am I going to tell the doctor if I see him?
Say you probably fell and that's it.
Really? Just look at my face. Eh? Look at my face. What you're saying now, does it even sound believable to you? Please, don't even start. Please.
Well, I already said I'm sorry.
And I heard you. Kenneth, do you know you're worse than a monster? Eh? You stole me from him. You lied to me. You deceived me. You told me that education matters. But hey, here am I don't even get to use my certificate. You told me that getting married to him will belittle me because he's not my class. And I listened. Obinna would never raise a finger against me, talk more of yelling at me. But
enough! If you truly love him and he's so exceptional, then go marry him!
I'm the fool, right? I should have known better. I don't even know how I got myself involved in this. How did I even get here?
My love. What is it? You've been crying. Talk to me. Do not lie to me. What is it? Babe?
I miss my other sister so much.
Oh. I'm so sorry about that, okay? I know how you feel. I understand.
Her number is not connecting. I don't know what to think.
I don't want you to think any negative. I believe she's safe wherever she is, okay? And I'll try my possible best to see that I connect her back to you. And then, I think I saw her with a husband. Sometime like that in my mall, they came to do shopping. Don't bother yourself, okay? You'll be fine. I'll try my best to connect her back to you. So you guys will meet and talk. That's why you're crying. Stop crying, okay? It's okay. Stop crying. I love you too.
My love, can you start coming back? I'm missing you now. I'm bored. What? The gates man? Maybe they are watching you from camera. Yes, baby, that's all the more reason you should come back and return there tomorrow. Because I miss you. Yes. Yes, babe, just come back. You can go there again tomorrow. Don't worry about the gate man. Like I said, they're probably watching you. If you just come back and go there tomorrow, they'll probably open their gate for you. Well, maybe anything.
Amos, what is it again?
Okay, that man still dead there.
Yeah, I know. I can see him on my CCTV. Just go back to your duty post.
Even me, I dey even see him for my DSTV.
I said go back to your duty post.
Yeah. Good night.
No. No. I don't know. I'm having serious pains in this my right knee. It's been paining me. I hardly walk with it. Please, tomorrow morning you will take me to the hospital, please.
Mama, tomorrow is out of the way. It's out of the way because I'll be taking my wife to the hospital tomorrow because she complained that she's bleeding. And I'm worried about it.
What? What are you saying? That you want to take your wife to the hospital, that she is bleeding, then you will leave your mother. Do you want me to die? Kenneth, it's your can. So because your wife is bleeding, is that why you will not take your own mother to the hospital?
Please, enough of this emotional blackmail. I just told you that my wife is bleeding. And it bothers me a lot. I need to take her to the hospital. Maybe I could take her to the hospital the day after tomorrow.
I say Kenneth.
Just a knee injury now. It's something that the hospital can check the day after tomorrow. Not like my wife's situation.
Hey, Kenneth, you are not serious. You are not serious. You see, tomorrow morning, you must take me to the hospital. You know why your wife is bleeding? You won't know. I'm your mother, and I will tell you, we are mothers, so I am Machaifenine. Your wife is bleeding because she does not bite her private part well. That's why everywhere is stinking.
Mama, please. With all due respect, I beg you. That's my wife you're talking about. Please do not talk about my wife like that. I beg you. Please.
Kawungwagi Kenneth. If you like, take it. If you don't like, leave. Everywhere is still. Listen, tomorrow morning, unfailingly, you must take me to the hospital. If you're Opuru, and tell your wife to be better.
Mama, please. I can't go over this with you again. I need to take my wife and my daughter to the hospital.
Where is your wife? So your wife is more important to you than me.
Mama,
your mother.
My daughter, please, Mama.
Brother, you have to take
Kenneth, you must take me to the hospital.
Mama, please. I
You
am not
must
fit for this. I am not.
You must take me to the hospital. I told you I have knee. I told you my knee is very good. And you say your wife. Today you must take me to the hospital.
Your wife can go to the hospital later. Take Mama to the hospital, brother.
Amos, open the gate.
What is such?
My wife and I. So when did you come back?
Ugonna.
Yes, right?
Yes.
Good to see you.
Achoo.
Change of environment. Wow. Summer.
Yes, it was.
Rest.
Yesterday we went to the hospital. So,
Madam, you have not told me what happened to your face.
ha! My brother, no be small thing, oh. This country is no longer safe at all.
You were attacked by armed robbers?
Oh, yes. Ask my husband. They were just punching me. The other one was just punching my face. Honestly, I thought it was going to blind my eyes.
Yes, it was crazy. It was. But you know, as a matter of fact, we were about going to the hospital before you came.
This is serious.
Very serious. So, Ugonna, how is Mama?
You've not been talking to them? Your phone has been switched off. I mean, your line is it's not reachable.
Oh, okay, yes, that's because they stole her phone. As a matter of fact, I just bought a new one for her, my in-law.
Yes.
It wasn't easy, but we thank God. Because you wouldn't imagine, they would have killed her because she was dragging the steering with an armed robber.
Go see!
Armed robber, fully armed to the teeth.
Ugonna, you know me now. I couldn't even just allow them have it so easy. For what?
Don't say that again, please. How can you be dragging with armed robbers? Please, this should never happen again. In fact, it won't even happen again. I don't want any evil to happen to any member of my family. Please.
Ugonna, actually, we were about going to the hospital before you came, so...
Oh, no problem now. You can go. I'm here. I'll wait for you here.
I don't understand. You mean you will stay here?
Yes, you can go, man. I'm not going to carry my little niece, so you're free to go. You can go.
Somebody that might need to be breastfed.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
I mean, staying with her alone, I mean...
She's not crying. So.
No, maybe by the time we leave, he will start crying. Yes.
No, she won't. What did you say? Let me say you can go. You can go, you can go. So you two can go. We're fine. I've told them.
Maybe we should just call the doctor to postpone the appointment.
Maybe. You're not even crying. Oh, good now, you're very good with babies.
Some
The story Kosi told me didn't add up at all. I think the husband is abusing her and she's keeping silent.
I know.
Well, she promised to call me. She said she was going to call.
She won't call. You don't know Kosi such. She has changed a lot.
Well, I told them about my upcoming wedding and they promised they were going to come.
Let's hope so. Let us hope that they grace your wedding. How's the baby?
The baby is very beautiful, lady. I love the eyes, so beautiful. She is.
Beautiful.
Thank God.
It's life.
I did not call my brother. You just have to believe me and grant me this, please.
So you want to go for his wedding?
Yes. Kenneth, he's my blood brother. My father's only son and his first strength. Please, do not deny me this opportunity of going to rejoice with him.
Chill, I need to think. I've not even made any decisions yet, so why are you pushing words in my mouth?
Please, I'm just begging. Don't be mean. Ugonna, he will not like this. Please, I'm begging.
Okay, that's fine. You will go. Is that okay by you?
Really?
Of course, you can go.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Hello? Yes. Yes, I know the mall. That's where my wife shops actually. She won? Oh, that's good news. You know what? I'll make sure she gets this good news as a matter of fact. Thank you very much. Oh, that's interesting. She won. Yeah, come in.
Yeah, good day. How are you? Please sit. And how may I help you?
My brother asked me to come and collect the prize won by his wife in your spa. That's why I'm here.
Oh, okay. I must let you know that the winner should come and collect the prize by herself. My manager should have told you that.
Yeah, yes he did, but he wasn't really understanding me. My sister-in-law is currently indisposed at the moment. That is why she cannot come by herself.
Okay, in that case, she should come whenever she's available. Okay? Because we have law here. And I cannot break the law that I made.
Are you trying to tell me that she will not give me the prize? What are you insinuating, sir? Can't I take this prize to her?
No, you can't. The manager's supposed to snap pictures with the prize winner while giving her the prize. That is why I said, whenever she's available, she can come and collect the prize by herself, if you don't mind.
What nonsense. I shouldn't have wasted my time in the first place. Gosh.
Uchembe back in secondary school, right?
Kenneth.
I knew it.
Kendo!
I knew it was you. I knew it the moment I saw you. Come here, look at you. Oh!
Kendo!
Look at you.
Is
Wow!
this you?
This is me.
God.
This is me, and this is you.
This is me.
You're looking a whole lot different.
I know.
Wow.
Thank you. How have you been?
I've been okay. I mean, I've been living my life.
God. Kenneth.
Yeah. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Look at you. Oh.
Oh my
Wow.
God. Small word.
So what's up? Where are you heading to?
I actually have an appointment somewhere in town.
Okay, that's amazing. As a
Yeah.
matter of fact, I was going somewhere with my wife, you know.
Oh, you're married. Congrats.
Thank you.
Kenneth.
Okay, so how about we exchange contacts and then we
Sure,
talk
sure,
some other time, yeah?
Sure, let me have yours. I'll call you.
All right, thank you. Hey.
Kenneth.
Whoa. Okay, so
Just dial it.
you should save it.
I will.
You should save it.
I
You know,
will. I
Kendo.
will
It's
definitely
Kendo.
call you.
All right. I'll wait for your call.
Kenneth. Bye.
Hey, look at you.
Oh my goodness. Brother,
Yes.
the owner of the mall refused to give me the gift though.
Well, I don't understand.
He said your wife should come and get it herself.
But that's why I told you to go there, so you pick it up for her.
What gift?
No, I want to understand why you don't. Okay, so OD Mall called that they have a gift for you. So I told Choma to go pick it up for you.
You sent Choma to pick up my gift?
Yeah.
Why would you do that?
Come on, it's not a bad thing that Choma picks up your gift. Oh, is it a bad thing?
Kenneth, why are you doing all this? Why?
You see, the reason is just because I don't want to stress you.
My own gift. So what happens to me if I go there to pick it up?
Baby, I'm saving you the stress. Come on.
Please.
You see what you've caused? You see what you've caused? They'll ask you simple questions instead of you to answer you. Just
Brother, see, don't send me this kind of message again. I don't like it. Don't send me.
Get out of here.
Kenneth, how can you allow your wife to go to that wedding in South Africa? So your wife is now controlling you, Ekwa? Yes, now, since what she says, you obey her. She cannot dictate for you, Kenneth. Are there a messy wedding? No wedding holds in Nigeria, if not in South Africa, isn't it? Kenneth, she now controls you.
Mama, she is not controlling me.
Then behave like a man you are now. Can't you see that she's controlling you? If she cannot go to wedding or her South Africa, why would they allow her? Don't you know that you will lose her when she gets there? Kenneth, behave like a man. No. Behave like a man. Maybe maybe the charm is working on you now. Nobody knows. If she can now say something and you obey it, sakwa anya na mmiri maka ncha ịba gị n'anya, Kenneth. Ihe mmadụ will later be another person's. Your thing will not turn to another person's thing. Ihe na gwakwa gị ka ị mara, for you to know. You know I'm your mother. I will not mislead you. I'm only telling you what is true. The truth, truth is bitter, but one must tell it. Did you hear me? Ademezi, no wedding holds in Nigeria. It's only in South Africa. Sanya na miro. Sakwanya na miri, Kenneth. Sakwanya na miri. Don't say I did not tell you.
girl.
Still on it.
That is my sister. Why are we not hearing from her? I need to know if she will be coming for Ugonna's wedding. Because she has to.
Oh, that's if her husband permits her.
Okay.
Don't worry yourself, you see her soon, okay? I'll make sure I'll bring her to the house so you guys will see each other and talk. Come on.
Thank you. Enjoy it.
Thank you for the treats. I had so much fun.
And I had so much fun too. I'd rather had more. Come on, sir. Why don't you do this like every other time?
Okay, sure, why not?
Right.
Yeah.
Great. And
my regards to your wife and family, okay? Bye.
Yeah, sure. Sure.
Bye.
Bye.
Where are you going to?
Mama, I'm going to the supermarket where I won a prize.
Yeah. You are going to the supermarket where you... Which prize? A liar. Which prize? You dress like this because you want to go and seduce men there. You want to go there and seduce men so that they will chase you. Huh?
Mama, please don't even go there. I'm not going there to seduce anybody. I'm only going there to pick up the prize.
Is it not what you are good at? Seducing men, seducing them. Huh? Chasing them here and there. And they will be chasing you and you'll be chasing them.
Mama, please don't even start because I just want to go there. I'm not going to stay long.
Did your husband know that you are going out?
No, I'm not going to stay long.
You are not going to stay long. I don't want to know whether you stay long or no. Go upstairs and give my grandchild breast to suck.
Mama.
Go and give her breast.
Mama Dina is still sleeping. Let me just go out quickly and come back. Don't start, please.
I said go. My friend, come. Hey! You're pushing me. Hey! Akuna. She's going to chase men. Look at her. Ashawo. Woo! Look at her. Eh? Akuna. Ashawo. Choma, my daughter. Honestly, I don't like this girl anymore. I hate her with passion. Because of course, who else? Something in me is telling me that she's having an affair outside. Honestly, my instinct does not fail me.
Look, Mom,
Me, I am seriously praying for my brother to send her out of this house and marry a new wife. A wife that will respect and obey you and I. As for cousin, she's controlling my brother.
Imagine her. Her mother-in-law. I was talking to her. She disobeyed me. If you see the way she just looked down on me.
Mama, what is it?
Thank God. Kenneth, my son, thank God you're back.
What happened? John? Mama, what happened to you? What's going on? Sorry.
Kenneth, did you send your wife to go to the supermarket and collect something for you?
No, well, yes. I remember telling her that we'll go to the supermarket together. Why? What happened?
So Madina was crying. I asked her to go and breastfeed her.
Yes.
And I told her equally that she should go back to the house. Before I know it, she gave me a slap on my face. Musa!
It's not possible.
I pushed me on the floor.
How? Is that true? Mama?
They pushed me on the floor.
Please don't call me. Don't call my name. Sure, you went to marry a wife that wants to kill our mother.
How can that be? This is not possible. Mama, Tosi, where is she? Tosi! Where is she? Where are you? Tosi! Where is she, Mama? Where is she?
She hasn't come back. My best. Mama,
okay, that's fine. Don't worry.
Please,
I'm sorry.
okay?
Don't worry. Just calm down. I'll take care of this.
Sorry, Mama.
Mama, just calm down. Let me just take off these things. Come. Okay, no problem.
Sorry.
Go see.
Obina,
How are you?
I'm fine. What are you doing here?
What am I doing here? This is my office.
What?
Yeah. I own this supermarket.
Odimat?
Yes. I own this supermarket. You know, your sister has been longing to see you. I have to pull a call to your husband and I got his number from my manager. You know, claiming that you won a prize.
Oh my God.
Yeah. And I insisted that you come and take the prize by yourself.
Yes. My husband told me. Obina, like, you mean you own this place?
Yeah. It's my place. You know, I've been watching you and your husband for a long time now. You come in here, get some items, leave and all that. But at the time, I stopped seeing you. So what happened?
I need to talk to my sister. I mean, we have a wedding to plan, yes. My brother's wedding, actually.
I know.
So can I say hi?
Yeah, I'll take it to your sister.
Wait a minute. Obina. I can't do this.
My dear sister, a lot has changed. Obina is currently studying business administration in the United Kingdom. Well, me, I'm back home managing the businesses.
No, you don't mean it.
He'll be returning to London shortly. Enough about Obinna, really. Let's talk about you. I was told you were assaulted by robbers. Tell me about that.
I lied.
You lied?
It's my husband that did this to me.
What?
But we have settled everything, so he promised he wasn't going to do anything like this to me again.
Wait, your husband? After all he did to Mama, to us, he barred you from us. What kind of a husband is he?
Kamsi, it's okay. Like I said, we have settled everything now. So, we are fine. Okay, enough of all this. So, tell me, how are the preparations going on for the wedding?
Fine. The preparations are in top gear.
Okay.
I hope he will allow you to come.
Oh, sure. Why not? I mean, I have to be there.
Go see?
Yes. I must be there.
You must be there.
Sure. Yes.
I have something for you.
Really?
There you go.
2 million. What for?
It's a prize you won. Kosi, I want you to convince your husband that you won a prize from us. You know why?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
If you willfully damage your own property, don't blame anyone. For your loss, don't blame anyone. 'Cause as you made your bed, so you lie on it. As you made
Look, babe, how can you even cope with a trader, with a village trader, an ordinary trader, and that? Come on, we are students. We've got dreams. We've got big hopes. I mean, with our degree, we can step into anywhere, any firm in the world, and we'll be acceptable. Come on, what would you be doing with a local, ordinary trader? Babe.
But he's the one sponsoring my education.
Oh, God.
See, that man has given me everything that I ever need. He's the reason I'm here today.
And I'm not disputing that. All I am just saying is, I love you. Just say yes. Let's make it open, and I'll repay every dime he has spent on you. Trust me. I love you.
Baby, it's not that easy. I'm just confused.
Listen,
I don't know.
you don't have to.
I still love him.
I love you more. Allow me to teach you how to love me more. Let me make you know love. Yes. Because I love you. I love you so very much. Babe, listen.
Stop. Just give me some time. Let me think.
There's absolutely nothing to think about. Just trust me. Let's make this work.
A man that is like part of my family is my life. What am I supposed to do now? Babe, just give me time. Just...
Begins just a day. You cannot want to gain except they agree. Yeah. You fail to reciprocate, good for good. Now you have seen that doom is always the aim of everything great. The rejected stone is now the chief cornerstone. 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 Someone gave you the ladder for you to climb, and when you reach on top, you forgot him. You thought you have arrived, but now, if you're gonna be murdered, rejected stone is now the chief cornerstone. No one to be blamed. Rejected stone is now the chief cornerstone. It's all your fault.
Coachy, where are you coming from?
I went to collect the prize I won.
And where is the prize?
Here. 2 million naira.
So because of 2 million naira, you abandoned my child, pushed my mother, and went ahead to slap her.
Me? I never did that. Kenneth, now, how can I slap your mother? I never did that. Eh? I did not slap her, talk more of push.
You stupid! Are you mad? You silly bitch! Slap her, mother!
I did not hit your mother!
Stop worrying yourself. Your sister will call you.
I want to know if she got home safely. Baby, from the look of things, Kosi is not happy in her marriage. It's written all over her.
I noticed it. It's just all over her face.
Please tell me the truth. Have you honestly forgiven my sister?
I have forgiven her a long time ago. I don't bear any grudge for her in my heart at all. I've forgiven her a long time ago. Yes. Since you came into my life, I just noticed that you're just the best for me. You're the perfect woman for me. Why wouldn't I forgive your sister? I've moved on a long time ago.
She would have been the best for you if things didn't turn around.
Babe, It's okay. Believe me, wherever she is, she'll be fine. Okay? Come on, let's get back to sleep. Okay? She'll be fine. Believe me.
I wanted to call someone.
Don't call. She will call you back. Okay? Trust me. Come on, let's get back to sleep. You know I'll be traveling to UK tomorrow, so I need to get some sleep now. Come on. She'll be fine, okay? Come on, let's sleep. Get some sleep.
My daughter, you are welcome, eh?
Thank you.
You say your name is?
Anne. Annabelle.
Oh, wow. Such a nice, sweet name.
Thank you, Mom.
In fact, you're welcome.
Thank you. You said you're my elder brother's classmate. Yes. During secondary school days. You're welcome. Thank you.
Choma, see how decent she is. This is the kind of girls your brother is supposed to be looking at. She's decent and humble. Nne, do you live with your parents?
Yes, Ma. I stay with my family.
Yeah. You're welcome. While waiting for my son, Choma, please go to the kitchen and fix something better for her to eat, okay?
Alright.
No, you can as well go with her.
Oh.
Yes.
Let's go together. Alright, nice.
Go while we wait for my son to come back.
Okay, this week. Alright.
Thank you, Mom. This is exactly the kind of daughter-in-law I want. Not that one that is doing anya chan. She just born. She will not allow the husband to rest. Always looking for sex every time. This is Nkebu Nwunye.
I want my phone now, Kenneth. I want my phone.
What for exactly? For your brother? To tell him what?
The girl you told me was your secondary school classmate was in my kitchen. My kitchen. Cooking with Choma. What have I done to you? What have I done to deserve this kind of treatment? What have I done?
You started it.
How?
You started it by disrespecting my mother.
How?
And pushing her.
How? But you know the truth. Your mother is a pathetic liar. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I am done. I am done with all this your insult and disrespect. I want a divorce.
You're done with what?
Everything.
You're done with what exactly?
Everything.
You must be a joker. You're joking, right?
I want a divorce.
I want a divorce. You're a joker.
Kenneth, I want a divorce, else I'm going to scream down this place. I want it now.
Please do not scream. Do not scream.
I want a divorce. Okay, give me my phone. Just give me my phone. Give me my phone.
Give it to her.
What are you saying?
Yes, a woman that does not have respect for her husband should be shown the exit door. My son, you are young. In fact, you are capable of marrying as many wives as you can.
I still don't understand. Are you saying I should divorce my wife?
No.
Mom, are you for real?
Yes. Divorce her. Can't you see that she's cheating on you?
No, it's not possible. It's not possible, Mom.
A woman. Didn't you hear the nonsense she said about the gifts? Didn't you hear? I'm still making my findings. My son, I am your mother. I will not lie to you. I've made my findings. In fact, she's not telling you the truth. She's fake. Everything she does is just fake. I'm still making my findings, honestly. You see, Anne will give you In fact, she is ready to give you as, in fact, if you want like 10 children, I will give you. She's very young, vibrant, and in fact, cute.
Mom, this is absolutely not right, actually. It's not.
My son, you see Anne will give you a male child. Those things that this one lack, Anne is going to give you. She's going to be a very good wife to you. This word, so am I not your mother? Would I advise you to do the wrong thing? I want the best for you. Allow this girl, allow this woman to go. Anne will take care of you. Anne will give you too many children. Let her go, I will handle everything. Happy head and moto buying a moto. I will handle. This is all. Don't worry, my son. Don't worry. I will handle it. Don't you trust your mother again? Cool down. I will handle it. I said I will handle it.
Leave me alone.
Why are you doing like this now? Hello.
I will forever love you.
And I will never stop loving you.
I don't think anything is going to stop me from being your wife.
Let me think. Will anything stop me from ever being your husband? No. No. Nothing.
I love you.
I love you more.
Okay, Obi, enough of all this. Let's go inside. I want to show you something.
Inside again? Come on now.
What did I say now? I just want to show you something.
No, let's just be here.
Come here.
No.
No, remove your leg. Let's go. I just want to show you something.
We're just coming from inside. You still want to go inside?
Don't you trust me again? Obi, come, Joe.
Inside.
Obi, come.
Inside, yeah?
Inside. Let's go. I really don't know what I want to do.
If you willfully damage your own property, don't blame anyone. For your loss, don't blame anyone. Cause she made your bed, so you lie on it. And she made your bed, you lie on it. You rejected stone, it's now the chief cornerstone. Stop crying, you rejected stone, it's now the chief cornerstone.
Yeah, who is that? What?
Obina,
Why do you have to punish?
they say the manager's office. Are you the manager? You own this company?
Yes, any problem about that?
Wait, you are the man that told my wife to come to the office by herself. You are the one that gave her 2 million naira. Wait a second. Now I get the puzzles, the pictures. You shameless man. You told my wife to come to your office all by herself because you want to have her back, right? Because you want to have my wife. Well, that's not a problem. No, that's not a problem. But you can have your own dry clothing back. You can have her back. As a matter of fact, you can go ahead and marry her
What the hell are you talking about? I don't want to be about all these kind of creatures. Oh, listen. I don't want to argue. Have her! I don't know what you're talking
This feels unreal. It's okay. At least he finally agreed to the divorce. Oh, now I'm free from them. My husband will be returning next week. When he comes back, we'll be traveling to South Africa for Gunna's wedding.
And immediately after my wedding, I'll be getting an apartment for Coast in South Africa. I'll get her a good job and she'll start life over there. Perhaps you see a man that will love you and accept the baby.
Wow. Baba.
Why?
Because I don't want to leave Nigeria. I want to stay here.
You haven't said your reason. Look, listen. You need to leave, okay? You need to leave and settle down.
Well, I don't want to be far away from my family. Eh? I want to stay with my sister Kamsi, at least for a while.
No, I disagree completely. You can't. You can't stay with Kamsi.
Why? Why can't I stay with her?
Kosi, you can't stay with Kamsi.
You haven't told me why I can't stay with her.
Okay,
Why?
if you don't
You haven't given me any reason.
If you don't again, if you don't get this rubbish again.
Okay, why?
You can't stay, that's fine.
Why?
You can't stay. I mean, for God's sake, she's just a young couple. How can you stay here?
I did not say I'm going to stay here forever. It's just for a while, though. It's not forever.
If you insist you have to stay in Nigeria, I will get you an apartment somewhere. Certainly not here.
I am saying I want to stay with my sister.
Stay here.
I will stay here.
You will not stay here.
I will stay here.
I
will stay here.
You will not stay here. I have the money. Let me look. Oh, come see. I have the money. Let me get an apartment.
Did I say I don't have my own money? I'm not begging you for your money. I need to stay with family. You need that. What I'm saying. Eh? I'm not begging you for your money. Go. Let her stay. Perhaps she needs family at this time. Thank you. She needs to be close to family. Oh yeah, water, besides, she said it's only temporary.
Come see, I am not against her staying, okay? All I am saying is, she will not stay here. I will get an apartment elsewhere, okay? It's still in Nigeria, it's still close to the family. She can stay and, I mean, she can be coming to visit, but certainly you won't stay here.
No, she has said I can stay here. What is your problem? Oh yeah, water, I need family. I need to stay with my family. If why are you doing this? Come see me. Thank you. Oh, God bless you for understanding. Oh yeah, Apagi. Thank you. Oh.
Hey! Can I do one? Hey, you're welcome. Yeah? Hey, you're welcome.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Hey, please, sit down.
Make yourself comfortable.
Thank you. You're welcome. Hey, okay, we are. Answer. Kenneth.
Mama.
Hey, it's not that you have pleased your mother.
Oh,
At least you have gotten a wife of my choice.
Thank God.
Huh? Asamo. This is exactly what I want.
Oh, Mama.
I feel like eating her raw.
Ha! Mama, she's my wife, oh.
I know. Hey, welcome, oh.
Thank you.
Hey, Banaga Diego.
Mama. Come on now, we're tired. We need to rest. Baby, innit?
Which rest? Which rest? When you have not given me a male child. Kenneth, Abalia, after 9 months, I want to hear nga, nga, nga.
No problems.
Hey! Where is your bag? Your bag?
My husband said Amos should bring them inside.
Okay. So you have to go up now, freshen up.
Okay.
Thank you.
Kenneth,
Mama.
Do not relent. Do not relent.
Okay, baby, come, let's go. Mama, thank you very much for the hospitality. Baby,
thank you.
Let's go.
Yes. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
If you willfully damage your own property, don't blame anyone. For your loss, don't blame anyone. 'Cause as you made your bed, so you lie on it. As you made your bed, you lie on it. You rejected stone, it's time the chief cornerstone. Stop crying, you rejected stone. It's time the chief cornerstone. It's your fault. You rejected stone. It's time the chief cornerstone. You rejected stone. It's time the chief cornerstone. You see, this life is not a bed of roses. It cannot give you what you want, but what you walked.
When we're done shopping, I'd like for you to meet my friends.
Oh, really?
Yes, we have a meeting where I am their cheerleader.
Nice.
And it will be an absolute delight for my friends to meet my dear.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, I can't wait to see their faces. Let's go. They are going to be amazing.
You failed to reciprocate, good for good. Now you have seen that doom is always the aim of every ingrate. You rejected stone, it's time the chief cornerstone. You rejected stone, it's time the chief cornerstone. You rejected stone, it's time the chief cornerstone. You rejected stone.
So, finally divorced her.
That's what she wanted.
That's what she wanted. You couldn't do anything. You couldn't try to settle the matter. Kenny, how did you change like this? And to think that you even took another wife immediately.
Jojo, you seem not to understand this picture perfectly. Okay, let me tell you something. Kosi was seeing her ex low. And probably because the dude has so much money and owns a spa around town.
Just listen to yourself. No, listen to what you're saying. Kenny, I'm not a baby. I know what's happening here. Okay, you're trying to tell me that this has nothing to do with the abuse, the insult, the maltreatment from your mother and sister. Come on, man, give me a break. You know, I can't help but wonder how easily couples fall out of love as soon as they become man and wife. And that goes to show me that most of them lack the basic foundation of what marriage is all about. No marriage classes, nothing. And when it gets to that realm, they just fall down flat. Tell me, how do you explain that the love of your life is now a thorn of your life? Kenny, I really hope you don't regret this, honestly.
Jojo, I won't regret this. I mean, would you expect me to sit and absorb a situation that is not my thing, all in the name of marriage, and then I'll keep dying silently and probably even die before my time?
That's not what I'm saying.
So what are you saying? As a matter of fact, what has happened has happened.
I just hope you don't regret this.
Jojo, I won't. Yeah, I won't.
I hope so. I hope so, because you're yet to define the relationship in your family. I mean, that of your wife and child, and your mother and sister.
Jojo.
I mean, how Kenny, you see your wife and daughter as a stranger while you place so much priority on your mother and sister? Who does that?
Jojo, it's my family you're discussing here.
Yes, I know.
Listen, when you get married, I mean, you can decide how things should be in your own home, not how it should be in my home.
Really?
Yes, that's how it should be. Please, do not discuss about my home right in front of me. It doesn't make sense. That's rude. Thank you, Counselor Jojo. Let's talk about something else.
So, how about your daughter?
Yeah, that's... It really breaks me because it hurt me so much that I won't gain access to my daughter until she's 18. And you know, I love my daughter so very much.
You just take it easy, you'll be fine.
Yeah, I hope so.
Come on. You'll be fine, you'll be alright. Gosi, I don't know how to say this, but I still have to tell you that I'm very sorry for everything. I mean, for even advising you wrongly from the onset.
Jojo, look, I am not faulting you for anything. I mean, you did what you thought was best for me at that time. So, there is no need for me to fault you.
Still, I'm sorry.
And I'm saying it's okay. It's okay.
It's fine. So, this place, who owns it? Your brother?
It's Obinna's.
What?
Jojo.
You're kidding me, right?
How can I be joking? I mean, he finally got married to your ex, Kamsi.
He did what?
You heard me.
Hello. Look what we have here. Kozo.
Kamsi, how are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Good. Long time.
Yes.
Yeah, he just stopped by to see me.
I can see that. I hope you have been well attended to. Food, drinks.
Well, actually, I was on my way leaving before you entered.
Oh, come off it. I'll be upstairs.
Oh, that's fine.
Let's come see.
Why are you so much in a hurry? Sit down.
Look, I have to go. We'll see some other time, okay?
I guess I have to walk into the gate.
It's fine.
For what? Eh? How can you allow her into your house? See, it will not happen. Tell her to come down to the village and stay with me. Or better still, use her certificate and find a job. Get a house and stay there. As simple as that.
Mama, please. Let her stay. She needs somewhere to cool off her head. And my place seems appropriate.
Is your cookie. The appropriate place for her to cool her head is your house. Because your house is a cooling fan. No! It's a cold room. Cancel your job. Be careful. How can you even say that? How can you be saying this now? Eh? Let her face her mistake. Let her face it. Were you not there when we warned her not to marry that useless man? And she said no. She even said that we should not come anywhere to her house. Okay, Noria? Kita ocha jagonu. Ocha wa jagonu. Eh? Obiaba say begin na cooling van go cool wonu. Okay? It cannot happen. Tell her to leave Obina's house for good.
Mama, you said it yourself. She made a mistake. Can we all admit that she made a mistake? We're all humans and we make mistakes.
See, what Kosi Sochukwu did is not even a mistake. She purposely did it. That's what she wanted and she did. But let me ask you, did you tell your husband about her staying in your house?
Yes, I did, and he accepted with pleasure. You know, Obina is a considerate man.
Considerate man. Kamsi, considerate man. I know why I'm saying this. So, our people says that the hen is not crying because the hawk hijacked her chick. She's just crying for neighbors to hear her voice that she warned her hijacked chick to be mindful of her life.
Mama, sometimes I don't understand your proverbs. Like now, okay, I don't understand it one bit.
I pray you will still understand.
Please, come on, give me the red oil you kept for me. I need to head back to the city.
Look at you.
What? Mama, what is it? What are you doing here?
I'm sorry.
I don't understand. Who asked you to come here, Mama?
Oh God.
Babe, what's going on here? In my husband's house? I don't understand. This is my husband's house. I can have sex anyhow, anytime I want. Why are you here?
You are right.
Are you sleeping with your mom?
Oh, come on.
Because I don't understand.
Mama, look at what you've caused now. Come on, Mama, come on now. Oh, come
What
on.
if we were naked? What do you want to see?
Oh, God.
Get that drawer.
Thank you.
Mama, go. Leave me alone.
Mama,
What is all this?
Mama, look how you see. You just want to spoil my phone now.
Continue what? I don't understand. I don't like all this rubbish. What is that?
I'm sorry.
Mom, who locked the kitchen? I'm hungry and the door is locked. Who locked it?
I did.
Do you have a problem with that?
Our wife.
Since when? The kitchen is always open.
This is a new government.
I don't understand.
Let me make you understand. Hey, come back here. Listen to me. Henceforth, you both no longer have access to my kitchen. I can even overlook Mama here. But you see you have no right to walk into my kitchen anyhow you like. If you want something, you come to me and you demand for the keys politely. And then you go in there, make whatever it is you want to eat, okay? Don't touch my food and don't touch my pot.
In my brother's house?
Excuse me, I'm not done talking. Listen to me. I am not here to become a slave to either of you. And if you try rubbish with me, if you try me, you will end up in the barracks. Nonsense. Hey, Mama, that thing you tried now. Mama, don't try it again.
Oh.
Don't try it next time. You will not like to see the other side of me.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
What's the meaning of that? What's going on?
Did you hear barracks?
Mommy, what is going on? Mom!
Barracks.
That was a long flight from Essex.
I'm very stressed.
Oh, my love, home, sweet home.
But babe,
Yes.
Ugonna really tried.
I know.
That was a big word.
Ugonna, one okay. Look, Ugonna, one okay. He's a full-grown man. Look at that classy wedding.
I was strict.
Well, you know, it's all thanks to you, my darling husband. You made it possible.
No, you made it possible.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're looking fresh.
Mm-hmm.
You even look as if you traveled.
Are you checking me out right now?
I'm checking you out.
You want to pay bride price again?
Yeah, I think I'm going to marry you.
Come on, pay bride price again,
Yeah,
because this is
that's
my
my baby. That's my baby.
And cause is such a good. After much, made it.
I'm surprised.
Thank God, no, Chukodalo. Phew, God, I'm glad.
Can we just go and freshen up?
Yes, I'm sweaty and sticky.
Do I like it soft.
You like what's
I like it juicy.
You bad guy. You bad guy. I'm not hearing you right now.
Oh my God. Now we have Diego with a long one. Forget it, yeah.
Your husband did not tell me the offense you committed. He disregarded the elders of our family. Calls everybody. He claimed that you are having an affair with Obinna. That's why he sent you out of his house, right?
Hey, Mama, he is lying. He is lying. He abuses me. Even his mother and his sister, they all abuse me. Mama, I just had to initiate the divorce because I didn't want him to start any other thing.
Okay. But my major concern is that you are not going to stay here. Oh yes, you are not going to stay here and inconvenience Kansi and her husband.
Mama, they are not complaining.
I said you cannot stay here. In fact, you have to follow me to the village. Or better go and look for somewhere to stay.
Mama, that one will not happen because I'm not going with you. It will not happen.
No, you are going with me. Go see. You are not staying in this house.
And I'm telling you it will not happen, Mama. Are you going to drag me to follow you to the village?
Emma, no objection. You are not staying here, Mama and Bali.
Mama, I'm saying I'm not going anywhere. I'm going
Your
to stay
staying here is a case to me. I will not accept. Can't say what I get it.
What is wrong with me staying with my sister?
Everything.
Have I been disturbing you?
Everything is wrong. Someday we watching it today. That make a body. If look, your sister Egbe buru ona. If Ranya neighbor, Egbe buru ona.
No, but I don't even understand what you're saying. Come see. Have I been disturbing you since I started staying with you? No, say it now. Let Mama hear.
Mama, we have had this talk before now. I don't mind. I don't mind if she stays. Hey, don't say I did not tell you. What an elderly man sees sitting on the ground. If you climb an iroko tree, you will not see it too. You cannot stand up to this girl. Don't say I did not tell you. I've said my own.
You're coming? Hey, go see. How are you?
I'm fine. How is work?
Yeah, good.
Oh, great. What are you doing?
Office work?
Oh, nice. I made you something from home. It's your favorite, yes.
Oh, really?
Yes.
You wouldn't have gone to stress yourself.
Oh, come on, Ubin. How can you call this stress? You know I'll do anything for you now. This is nothing.
Yeah, I know, but my wife is gonna bring food for me because she knows exactly what I want for lunch.
Wait, Ubin. Are you saying you're not even going to have a taste of your sister-in-law's food? Come on now, it's still me, eh? It's you. I know you can't even reject anything from me, so why are you doing this? If you don't eat this food now, I'll take it to mean that you have not completely forgiven me. And I'm going to feel really bad.
It's okay. I am going to test it, let it out and see if I'm rejecting your food.
Oh, really? Let me help you. I promise you you're going to like it. Should I help you? Okay. Do you like it?
It's tasty, right?
Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm glad you like it. Okay. You can have some more. You can eat it.
It's okay. I'll eat, I'm still going to eat my wife's food. You know?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So don't worry, I'll eat that.
Okay. Okay, I should be on my way then. Alright, thank you.
Mama, please, let's go to the back seat and sit. It is too early for this. I do not want problem. I don't want wahala this morning, please. And I do not want to miss today's service. Mama, Biko.
Choma.
I don't want to miss church service today.
Choma, I want to sit in front.
Hi.
Why I want to sit? You know why? You know my reason why I want to sit here. You know I have a knee injury. And it's paining me so much. So I want to sit here so I can stretch my legs.
Mama, we can actually manage at the back. Mama, please.
All the kids say it's like you're mad. Huh? I should come down or what?
I don't want to. I don't want
no,
to
what are you insinuating? I should come down, Chioma.
I don't want to miss church service today. I don't know this one. This one you're doing now. I don't understand you.
Want to sit here?
Okay, so let's go.
What's going on here? Mama?
Huh?
Please go to the back seat.
I want to sit here. I have a knee injury and it's paining me. I want to sit here so I can stretch my legs.
Mama.
Huh?
Please go to the back. Babe, that's fine. Mama, go to the back. My wife needs to sit in front with me.
I will sit here. Let her sit at the back with Choma. I want to stretch my legs.
Mama, there is enough space at the back for you to stretch your leg. Please.
I said I want to sit in the front. What is it? Just tell me, what is so difficult in sitting here? Huh? What stops her from sitting at the back?
Kenneth, is like your mother don't want to go to church with us, right?
Baby, it's okay. Go to the back. Let's all go. We're running late for church.
I should go to the back seat. Okay. No problem. I'm coming. Just hold on.
Babe.
I'm coming.
Babe.
Hi.
Mama, you see what you've cost? No, you have seen what you've cost. What is the meaning of this now, Mama? What is the meaning of this? Okay, you say Kosi was worse than this person. Okay, go ahead.
Yes, Kosi is far better than this person.
Now Kosi is now far better than this one.
Kenneth, can you go dig? Kenneth, Ibotulawan, Kenneth. Are you a woman bottom? What is wrong with you? That your mother wants to sit in the front. She has a knee injury. What is so difficult about it?
No problem, Mama. That's fine. Let's see what she's up to.
Look, Mama, even my future mother-in-law will not try this nonsense with me. Will not drag the front seat with me.
If you don't shut up, I shut it up for you. Are you crazy? Why are you running your mouth? Stupid girl.
Mama, what is all this now? What kind of temptation is this one? Today being Sunday, Mama.
Babe.
Amos, get me the gate key. Hey. I said give me the gate key.
Babe. 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 Mama, what is this now? Hey, Mama, what is this? See, I can't even afford to go to church. Why now? What's the meaning of all this now? What?
Boys in a wall, Kenneth. Boys in a wall. Ilora John wine. Boys in a wall.
Mama, shey you see? This is what I've been telling you. I was telling you since. So, Mama, shey you see what you've caused? Leave me alone.
Shut up.
No, she has locked the gates.
Okay? If you jump fence, so.
Idiot. Stupid boy. You're here. She took it from you. You're telling me.
Mama, honestly, I don't like all this, so I don't like it.
Peace in my own house. This stupid idiot is here telling me to jump the fence.
Please come. I want to show you something. I have to show you something downstairs. Please, let's go. Now? Yes, I mean now. Come see. Let's go see. I know, let's go now. It's important, please. I just want to show her something.
I'll meet you later.
No! Come see now. Don't follow me. I want to show you something. And I can't wait. Come see. Let's go now. It's something very important. Come, let's go now. Let's go. Oh, come see. Let's go now. Let's go. See now, something about her eyes. I don't understand this.
My sister, nothing is wrong with the baby. Will you shut up? What do you know? Eh? Are you her mother? My friend, get out of this place. Sorry. You're talking as if you're giving birth before. I said get out! Sorry, ma. See now, look at her eyes. Her eyes are fine. She's not even looking at me. Come see, Hey, Mama.
You know what? We will call a doctor to come and check her. Just to reassure you. But from what I can see, she's fine.
No, she's not. She's not even looking. She's not looking at me. Hey, Mama.
Would you calm down? You're startled.
Hey.
Relax. Look at your mommy. Look at your mommy.
She's not even looking at me.
Mom, the kitchen is locked too.
Huh? Hey! Chineke will I haunt you. You mean I can't? If I'm tested, I can't even get a cup of water to drink.
Mom, but I told you. I warned you about this girl, but you wouldn't listen. Now look, I can't even go out to get coke and bread because the kitchen is locked and everywhere is locked.
Supposing if this house catches fire, now, what are we going to do?
Not my house, please. Not my house.
Not your house. Call your wife to come and open this door. Open the...
I have been calling her. I have been calling her lines and they are switched off.
Hey! Ugochi, so this is what you did to yourself. How did I arrive to this point? How? Tell me!
The devil you know. Mama, we better go and look for Kosi.
Come on, make you pull on. And I put something very important. Who is Kosi? Is it the Kosi I know that cheated on your brother or who? Eh?
But I thought you said she's better. I thought you said she's better.
Nah, please. I beg you in the name of God. Call your wife now. I don't want to get angry. Call her to come and open this door. I'm thirsty, can't you see? I don't want to be angry.
You can actually take my cell phone and call her lines and see if you can get her. Because I've been calling her and their lines are switched off.
Kenneth, please, I don't want to be angry. Call your wife. Call this your stupid wife now.
I have been calling her. I have. And her lines, like I said, are switched off.
Hey.
What are you doing?
What is this rubbish? What is this pant doing here? Obviously, it's not my wife's pant. She can't actually wear this rubbish. Angela! Angela! Who owns this pant?
I don't know.
Okay, now dress up in my room.
No, sir. I don't know anything about this pant.
Then how come? Huh?
I don't know.
Take this out of this place.
Okay, sir.
Take it out of this place, please.
Did you see my pants that I kept here?
I don't understand.
No.
Does this place look like where you can remove your pants and put it back or something?
I was showing Kamsi something, so I forgot it.
You were showing Kamsi something?
Yes.
I didn't remember that you removed your pant.
Did you see it?
What color is it?
Pink.
Pink.
Yeah.
Go there and ask her, what's her name? Angela. Let's go. Angela is with your pant. What is it? What is it? I don't understand. Do I resemble your pants?
Wait now. See how fresh you look. Obi.
Can you go back to your room now, please?
Okay, calm down now. It's me.
Can you go back to your room?
Obi, stop now.
Stop this. Stop this rubbish. To your room, my friend. Stop it.
Calm down. Why are you doing like this?
Annabelle, what was the meaning of what you did? I am talking to you. Annabelle, what was the meaning of what you did? And where are you coming from by this time of the day?
What is wrong with you?
Hey. Annabelle, listen, I don't want to listen. Where are you coming from?
Who are you yelling at? And why are you shouting at me? What time do you expect me to come back home?
Annabelle, tell me, where are you coming from?
Hotel. Yes, you heard me right. After church, I went to the hotel to spend some quality time with my former lover. Or do you have a problem with that?
What
do you want to do? What do you want to do? You dey mad? What do you want to? You dey... This one. You better say my grace for this house. Man, I'm not wife, you. You want to? You want to stop me? Why did you get out? Why did you talk to? Are you mad? Are you mad? You want to slap me? You want to slap me? Don't ever try it in your life. In fact, your mother and your sister will leave this house. I said let them leave this house. Now, as I'm talking to you. And in your life, in your miserable life, don't try it. Don't try and impress yourself by slapping me. Or you want to prove you're a man. I will break your head. I will injure you. Don't try me. It's yours. It's yours. That stupid mother of yours has to leave this house. Let her go to her husband's house. This is my husband's house. Let me have peace. That reminds me. Your food yesterday, you didn't eat it. The food you went to work with.
Oh, yeah.
What happened?
I did not, because your sister brought food for me at the office.
She did?
Yeah, she did. I'm so sorry I forgot to tell you about that. I'm sorry about that, babe. You good?
Yeah. Obina, please, we need to take my daughter to the hospital. She's running temperature. What's wrong with her? I don't know. Obina, take us here.
It's okay. It's alright. It's okay.
Let me change. No, don't worry. We can both handle it. Obina, let's go. We can handle it.
It's okay. Easy. Let me get mine.
Please. Kamsi, don't worry. We'll take care of it. Hey. Baby, carry your phone. Okay.
Drive safely.
Bobby, please stop the car. Yes, stop the car, please.
Why?
Nothing is wrong with my daughter. She's fine.
What?
That because I just needed us to have time together.
Excuse me. So nothing is wrong with this baby and you brought her out and me too this night?
No, nothing wrong with that.
Just because of your stupidity?
Obim, don't say that. Obim, see.
Hey, stop touching me.
Obim, don't say that. I've missed you. Hey, I've missed you so much that I can't even hold myself again.
Oh
Obim,
my God.
Please.
Stop it.
See, imagination wants to finish my head because anytime you go inside the room with Kamsi, I just keep imagining what you do to her.
Oh.
Okay, now, Obin, wait.
Does she scream your name? Like,
Oh God.
Does she touch you the way I do?
Hey,
Does
stop,
she
stop,
whisper
stop,
sweet nothing?
stop this. So nothing is wrong with you, baby? And you brought me out this night because of this stupid thing you're talking about? Do you know what? You are leaving my house. You are going to leave my house.
Obim, it's not that serious.
What nonsense.
For the sake of the baby, please, Obim, don't tell anybody, please. Don't tell them. I'm sorry.
This is the height of it.
I'm sorry, Obim. It's because of the love I have for you. I can't even hide it anymore.
No. You're very, very stupid. You didn't even think about this, baby? See the stress and everything. Oh. You're just so stupid. You're leaving my house.
No, Obim, I said I'm sorry. See, I was only joking.
I am married to your sister, and I love my wife, your sister. Okay? I am married to her, and I'm not going to stop loving her. So you better put that into your head and stop this rubbish.
Don't say that to me. For the sake of the baby, don't say that.
No, you're leaving my house.
I'm sorry.
Oh, definitely.
How's the baby?
Oh, she's fine now.
Everything all right?
Yes, she's okay.
Why was my husband's face squeezed? Is there a problem?
I have no idea. Maybe you should go and ask him.
If you willfully damage your own property, don't blame anyone. For your loss, don't blame anyone. As you made your bed, so you lie on it. As you made your bed, you lie on it. You rejected stone. It's now the chief cornerstone. Stop crying. Rejected stone. It's now the chief cornerstone. It's your fault. Rejected stone. It's now the chief cornerstone. You rejected stone. It's now the chief cornerstone. You see, this life is not a bed of roses. It cannot give you what you want, but what you worked for. The journey of 1,000 miles begins just a day. Two cannot walk together except they agree. Yeah. You fail to reciprocate good for good. Now you have seen that doom is always the end of everything great. You rejected stone, it's now the chief cornerstone. 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 Someone gave you the ladder for you to climb, and when you reach on top, you forgot him. You thought you have arrived, but now, if you're gonna feel my cornerstone, it's time the chief cornerstone. No one to be blamed. It's time the chief cornerstone. It's all your fault. You rejected stone. It's time the chief cornerstone. 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 Stop crying. You rejected stone. It's time the chief cornerstone. It's your fault. You rejected stone. It's time the chief cornerstone. You rejected stone. It's time the chief cornerstone.
I'm almost.
You see, this life is not a bed of roses. It cannot give you what you want, but what you want.
Yes, I want my wife back. It was all a frame-up. I'm telling you, just believe me. I am truly sorry for everything I've done to her. I am very sorry. Please help me get my wife back. Yes, I know I've wronged her, I've done everything inhuman, but please help me get my wife back. I am sorry, please. Please help me get my wife. Help me. Okay.
Kenneth.
Yes.
You want who back and you miss who?
Okay, I was talking to my accountant. I was telling him I want my money back. That I can't wait to get my money back. That, I want my money back. That's it.
Kenneth, you want your ex-wife back, right?
No. Why would I want my ex-wife back? Am I normal? I never said that.
So you're missing your money?
No, how can I miss money? How? No, I didn't say I miss money. I was only talking about my money. That I want my money back.
You know you're not very smart. I'm watching you.
Hello. Yes, I'll be coming to the office right away. Yes, I'm coming right away.
Anymore. Open that gate. Move your leg now. Walk. What is it? Go. Go! What are you looking at? Go. Mama, go. Close that gate. Hey. If I see these two people here without my permission, anytime, any day, even if at night, I will fire you. Do you hear me? now. You want me to start with you?
I'm not fit for this.
Go inside. Go inside.
No, but that's...
Go inside.
Please, help me talk to my wife. Tell her that I am sorry for everything. That I am a changed person. I am deeply sorry. Please.
What about the wife you married?
I'm gonna pay off. And I'm so ready to pay her off. I don't want her. I want my wife. I want my wife, please.
It's okay. I am going to talk to her. Okay, I will invite you over to my house to see her.
Thank you very much. Thank you for everything. Once again, I am deeply sorry. Deeply sorry. Thank you very much.
Open the gate. Where you go? Are you stupid? Open the gate.
This is where you can't get a
Open gate. Don't ask me questions. Open gate. Nonsense. Who are you to ask me questions? Get out.
This one woman and carry back. You say you never kidnap Mama put inside Ghana Mosque. Okay, pick your call now. Pick your call. Okay, pick your call now. Madam! Yeah.
Amos, why is the door open?
Okay, the door. Madam Komoto, you can't get a Muslim Komoto. She said,
I don't understand. Play back again. I said, why is the door open?
Okay, let me play back. Madam, carry Ghana must go. 2 Ghana must go. Come out. Say, if they come out, she don't even tell me where she they go.
Oh my God, I am finished! Amos!
Okay.
Amos, come here. Okay. What did you say? How could you have left Madame to take everything in my house and you couldn't stop her?
Okay, they call your number now. You know the pig. Now that one the first see him now.
God, my documents, my property, my everything, Amos, how could you? Oh.
Okay. 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 Epilepsy. Epilepsy. Okay. Okay.
It's so clear they are secretly dating. Look at it. Ah! She told me. You know what? They planned to meet at that eatery, so it wasn't even an accident. See, it's so clear now. Look at everything.
Go see, I know your plan. Yeah. I know what your plan. Because my wife and I know will never lie to me. She would never ever lie to me. She would not do such a thing. Okay? Your husband, sorry, your ex-husband wants you back.
No. He cannot want me back because I don't want him. It's true, I want.
Because you stop wanting me. Just stop it. Because whatever you want from me will never, ever, ever work. Yeah. It will never work. So you just have to go back to your husband's house. Okay? He wants you. Your husband is here. Please forgive me. I want you back.
Never.
Please, please.
You cannot want me back because I don't want you.
I want us back.
No!
I love you.
I will never love you. I don't love you and will never ever love you. See, this is the man after my heart. So please, Obi, this is the fool, this is the idiot that ruined our relationship, that ruined everything. Obi, he deceived me. He lured me, he lied to me. Obi, and I hate you for everything that you did.
You never did. Because you deceived yourself. You allowed it. Okay? So, I mean, go with your husband.
I will never do that.
You see? I told you not to allow her to stay even for 1 week, but you refused. She has refused to go back to her husband's house. Huh? How could you forget? I told you this. She's even saying that she wants me. This is funny.
Course is such a good. You, my own sister, set me up. You painted me black, even when there was no reason to. Why? I've been good to you.
I didn't marry Obinna without your approval. When he proposed, I told you. And you said I could go ahead, that you didn't care. You need your own happiness. You can't keep trying to spoil someone else's happiness. You have your home to return to. Kenneth awakes. He wants you back. I want you back there. That's your home. This one here is my home. And I did nothing wrong by accommodating you when you needed shelter and love the most. I encourage you to please go back home to your husband. There you will find fulfillment and happiness. It's not here. There's nothing here for you. Not anymore. You and Obinna are over. You've been over for a long time now. Stop the delusion. And go for the antiques. Go.
Well, Alice has been arrested.
What did you just say?
You heard?
Where is she? Where is she?
Well, the police were able to track her phone line and they got her in Delta State.
Oh, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. I know my prayers were never in vain.
Yeah, I actually spoke with the DPO and he said they're on the way to Lagos.
On the way to Lagos?
That's what he told me.
Oh God, my money, my documents. Oh, thank you, God, thank you. And, oh God, you silly bitch. Thunder will fire you.
It's okay. So, what about Kosi? Is she coming?
Yeah. We're waiting for her to get back, you know. I've been apologizing. I've been remorseful. But you know, she's been I just need somebody to talk to her for me. Jojo, please. Can you help me talk to my wife? Help me get my wife.
Come on. Just relax. All these things will soon be over. Okay? You get your wife back. I see you're a changed man now.
Yeah, indeed, I'm a changed man, trust me. I can't afford to lose my wife. Not now, never again. Oh God, Jojo. You know how this thing feels when a man is in love. God, I need my wife.
You get her back.
So, what do you care for? Should I? No, come on, you should fix yourself. Go there, get yourself something. You know, I got lots of it over there. Go, just go fix yourself.
Something brown, something creamy. Something creamy.
Slow down, don't finish it. Just pick up a glass. That's what you need. Don't take a whole bottle.
Calm down.